Alright, hey guys, Temptation 2003 here with you, and I just got my winch today. Just picked it up from the mail. UPS guy actually. But here it is in here. Got it from Summit Racing. So yeah, just gotta get it out of here and I'll show you guys what's inside. It's a heavy little bugger. It's like 130 pounds heavy. Take that back, 120 pounds. It says right here on the tag. They're shaped like dumbbells, not so bad, but these little straps want to friggin' cut into your hands. So, anyways, I'm gonna run it up the steps there, and away we go. Alright, so here we got the Haas Fairlead, and it's already got kind of a nick or a ding right here, a ning. Anyway, yeah. Give you guys a look at the Warren controller here. It's all rubberized, got nice little dimples on the grip here. They actually protrude out for holding on to, so that's pretty nice. Got your in and your out. So yeah, seems pretty good. It's supposed to be, I think, 12 feet of cable. And here's all your hardware again. Big hook and everything, and yeah. So what else do we have in the box? What else we have in the box? Here's our connector cables. I already have some on my truck, so I don't need to use these. Yep, this is our multi-mount. Oh, that's the actual winch there. This must be the multi-mount here. Here's your square hitch receiver multi-mount right here. Winch sits in here and this will go in and out. Square hitch receiver. And I'm assuming all the mounting hardware. There's something in here. I'm not sure where to check. Really? They gave me. Oh, that's hilarious. They gave me an empty box packed inside this big box. I got that on video, guys. They packed me an empty box just to fill up space. What the hell? That is just messed up. I can't believe that thing's empty though. It's like, seriously? It's empty. Look. It's empty. Whatever. And I'm assuming this one's empty too. Another box. Watch. You get to see first. No tricks. Haha. Empty. And here's the one you've been waiting for. The Warren 9.5 got your free spool and engaged right here. Turn it. Got your winch plug in right here. I'm thinking on the other one that my brother had, I think this plug in here was over here if I'm not mistaken. Can't remember for sure, but I thought it was. Maybe not. I haven't used it in a long time. So yeah, there it is. 9.5 CTI. Big beefy little butter. Yeah, I'll give you guys a close-up video of it. Just a second here.